Hi, and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Manchester United goalkeeper top, and this is from dhgate.com. Now, GA Kits is a new seller, never used them before. I've got a few shirts that have been purchased from them, and this is the first one that we are looking at. Obviously, we have got the name set of Peter Schmeichel on the back of this one. It is a slightly larger shirt as well, going for a 2XL goalkeeper shirt, and I'll be giving this to one of my friends. So, as I said, this is the first time I've used this seller, and I've got to say, delivery time was unbelievable, actually. It wasn't even, I don't even think it was 7 days from being told that the items had been sent. So, yeah, really, really good. So the shirt comes in a standard bag, and on the flip side, it does have our usual help warnings. So if you're new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. The seller, as I said, is gakits.com. I will leave all the information for the seller in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link for Manchester United items. I doubt it'll be for this goalkeeper top, but just Manchester United items in general. So what we'll do now is we'll get this bag open and we'll have a look at the Peter Schmeichel goalkeeper top from gakits.com. We start at the front, and we've just got the standard collar line that goes around. And this problem with these goalkeeper tops is they're just effectively a long sleeve shirt. They don't have all the padding, and I remember seeing quite recently actually photos of Kasper Schmeichel wearing this while Peter Schmeichel was at Man United, and the padding on it was well out there, whereas this is just a plain shirt, but it does look the part. The Umbro is into the material, likewise the sharp. The Man United badge is like a velvety sort of texture. I think that's probably been glued on, but we'll check on the inside. Sleeves all look good, just wish there was a bit of padding on it, which I'll keep going on about. Hand underneath it, you can just about see my hand through it, so you get an understanding of how see-through the material is. It's quite lightweight, quite shiny feel to it, but it does look nice. You're not going to get a replica shirt that looks as good as these do. I just wish that they did do the padding on them, just to give it that more authentic feel. But all in all, the shirt is absolutely amazing. Okay, we move to the back, and obviously we've got Schmeichel on the back, and that's been vinyled on, and that feels really nice actually. And the number 1 is vinyled on, and the Umbro is into the vinyl as well. A fair few creases from where it's been in the bag, but nothing at all apart from that to worry about. Those creases will soon come out once the shirt has been worn. As I mentioned at the start, this is going to be for one of my friends. He's a Man United fan. Well, he is a Man United fan. He was a Man United fan. He now reckons he supports somebody else. But I just like getting him these sort of tops because he plays in goal for us on a Monday night when we play. So, yeah, got him a bigger one because he is a bit larger. If he's watching this, he'll know who I mean. But yeah, that is the back of this shirt. I think it looks really nice. We'll flip it around and we'll look at the inside as well. Okay, we're now onto the inside of the shirt, and you can see the collar line. The stitching all looks really good on that. Man United patch, or badge should I say. I think that's been pressed on actually, not glued, because it's the same sort of colour. Umbro and the sharp into the material. It's a shame they didn't put the Premier League patches on this. That would have been a nice touch. But yeah, all looking very nice. Check out the hemline at the bottom. Stitching on that looks good. The join looks nice and tidy, and the join there looks nice and tidy as well. We do have the washing instructions here. So the recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip them inside out and put them in your washing machine and put them on a hand wash setting. Do not do anything more than that. When you come to dry them, just let them hang dry. do not tumble dry, because otherwise items like this will pull off. Now these ones are not so bad because everything is into the material, but you don't want the Man United badge to come off, and obviously on the back we've got the Schmeichel. So if you were to put it in a tumble dry or wash it on a higher temperature, those will start peeling. We'll flip it around now and we'll look at the final part of the inside of this shirt. Okay, we've got the final part now, and we have an Umbro tag, size XXL, and we do have the Sports Performance tag. Now sadly, some of you who watch these videos will know we used to have a chap who used to do some of these videos called Mr. PMs, who sadly passed away. He was always never a fan of these Sports Performance tags. Never thought the products were that good, but to be honest with you, I've had the odd bad one, but I've had the odd bad one with other tags as well. The majority of the Blackburn shirts that I get, they're all Sports Performance tags, and they've always been okay. So maybe he was just unlucky, but yeah, just wanted to call that out. Stitching though, all looks good. Number 1 and the Schmeichel, I can get rid of that tag. Heat pressed on, a few creases from the bag, but nothing else on there at all. That's gone on really nicely. So that's the inside of the shirt completed. An absolute classic of a retro. Really, really like it. And there we have it, the Manchester United goalkeeper top from the 92-93 season from dhgate.com. A very, very nice replica reproduction of this Manchester United goalkeeper top. I mentioned it at the start, and I've mentioned it a few times. For me, what always lets these goalkeeper tops down from the retro style is the lack of the padding. I really, really, really wish that they would be able to put some padding in it, just so it gives that more authentic feel, authentic look to it. I also think the green was probably a little bit of a brighter green, but I could be wrong. Anybody knows, Manchester United fans, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I think the green's probably slightly off. But all in all though, this is a fantastic looking top. I love my retros, and that's why I keep buying these. I said this is going to be for one of my friends as well, so I'm sure he'll be extremely happy with it too. I will leave a link to GA kits in the description of this video, along with a dhgate link as well for my usual seller. It'll be for the Man United items. I don't think they have this one on there, but I'll leave it in the description anyway to the Manchester United items. So if you have enjoyed this one, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But there we have it, a new seller, gakits.com. First item that we've looked at from them. Really, really impressed. We've got 2 more shirts I think I purchased from them, so they'll be coming up over the next few weeks. But I hope you've enjoyed this one. A nice retro. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.